So you've installed your SharpTools dashboards on your Amazon Fire tablet, but you want to be able to use the built-in hands-free Alexa and not have it overwrite what is on your dashboards. I'm going to show you two ways to do this coming up next. Hi, this is Justin from Simply Smart, where we make smart home technology as easy as 1, 2, 3. So if you're interested in smart home technology, consider subscribing for more content like this. What we're going to be doing in this video is we're going to be showing you how to use hands-free Alexa on your Amazon Fire tablet when using SharpTools at the same time. So typically when you're using SharpTools, you're going to be using it in the Fully Kiosk Browser. That way it shows the entire screen, and you can also have it turn on and off the screen based on motion or sound or all kinds of other different options. But the problem is, if you want to use the Alexa that is built into your Fire tablet, the commands that you give Alexa will overwrite what is shown on your tablet screen. So the way we're going to get around that is there is no way to disable that in the Alexa settings of your Fire tablet. You actually have to use the Fully Kiosk Browser to get around this issue. So I'll show you what I'm talking about here. So if we slide down from the top here, the little head with the X, if I turn that to be on, now hands-free Alexa is turned on. And you can see I just said Alexa, so it popped up at the bottom here. So if we just say, Alexa, what's the weather going to be like today?
In Myrtle Beach, there's a flood warning in effect starting Monday, June 1st, 8 p.m. The current weather is 72 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies. Today, you can look for lots of clouds and thunderstorms, with a high of 82 degrees and a low of 68 degrees.
Alright, so it gave us our weather forecast, but the problem is now we cannot see our SharpTools dashboard. Now, if you hit the back button, it will go back to your dashboard. But if you give any other Alexa commands like turn on kitchen light. So it's helpful if you didn't have a dashboard. So now you can see it's popped open the kitchen light, and I can dim, turn it on and off just with tapping the screen. But the problem is we can't see our dashboard. So how are we going to fix this? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to go into the Fully Kiosk Browser settings, and there's two different options. One option is to see the Alexa feedback on the screen and then have it jump back to your dashboard after a certain amount of time. And then the second option is to not see the Alexa feedback at all, but still be able to use your voice to give commands. So this is really helpful. Say if you have your tablet in a hallway, you can still send commands right to Alexa in the hallway, but you don't have to worry about it disturbing your dashboard. Alright, so to get to the settings of the Fully Kiosk Browser, we just need to slide over from the left. And just go to the top where it says Settings. Alright, now once in these settings, what we want to do is we want to go to Universal Launcher. Now once in the Universal Launcher, what we need to do is we need to go to the very last option here, which is Regain Focus After Idle Time. If it's at 0, then basically it's turned off. So let's just put in 5 seconds. And now let's just go back. And now we're back to our dashboard. Alexa, what is the weather going to be like today?
In Myrtle Beach, there's a flood warning in effect starting Monday, June 1st, 8 p.m. The current weather is 72 degrees Fahrenheit.
So you can see it started to do the weather, and then 5 seconds elapsed, and then it went right back to our dashboard and closed that action. So you may want to have that be longer. So say if your weather forecast was like 30 seconds, you may want it to regain focus after 30 seconds. So that is the way to set it up to still get the Alexa feedback, but it will go directly back to your dashboard once the elapsed time has passed. Now the other option is to never have it show up at all. So what we're going to do is we're going to slide over, we're going to go to settings again, and then let's go ahead and disable the universal launcher. So we're going to go there, click on regain focus, and we're going to take that down to 0 again, tap OK. So we've disabled that, and now what we want to do is we want to find Kiosk Mode Plus. So that is right here, and what you want to do is enable Kiosk Mode at the top here, and the only option that you want to have on is the Disable Other Apps. And right at the top, the third item down, says Kiosk Mode Pin. All we need to do is tap on that and just basically delete everything and tap OK. And now if we go back out, we're going to have to give it some permissions. So we're going to click OK here and allow. Alright, so now it's trying to get the weather now. Alexa, what's the weather going to be like today?
In Myrtle Beach, there's a flood warning in effect starting Monday, June 1st, 8 p.m. The current weather is 72 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies. Today's forecast has lots of clouds and thunderstorms, with a high of 82 degrees and a low of 68 degrees.
Alright, so you can see it gave us our full forecast, but it did not give us any visual feedback. Alright, so now that we have that set up, we can actually take advantage of the built-in Alexa right on our Fire tablet to control our smart home, in addition to seeing what's going on with our smart home using our dashboard, and have the ability to tap our dashboard to have things happen. So I can turn on the dining room lights, for instance, with a tap, and then say if I'm not near the Fire tablet to turn off the dining room lights, I can just say, Alexa, turn off dining room lights. And there you can see the dining room lights turned off using an Alexa command right to the Fire tablet, and it didn't overwrite our dashboard with any visual feedback. So I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video, share the video with your smart friends, and subscribe to my channel for more smart home tips just like this. Also check out these other videos on the screen now. I will see you in the next video.